Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Abramowitz here, and today we're going to do in math inventories. And an inventory just means a collection. It means a collection of things that we count, and we count and keep track of how many we have. And usually we count a collection of something, but not everything in the collection might be exactly the same. So sometimes in stores, what they do inventory so they can see how many things that they have and if they need to put more on the shelf. So they might do a collection of how many balls, and they might want to know how many red balls, how many blue balls, how many yellow balls, how many green balls. When we do inventories in school, we do inventories of our school supplies. So we do an inventory to make sure of how many erasers we have, how many pencils we have, how many crayons we have, to make sure that how many glue sticks, because we want to make sure we have enough for everyone. And at the end of the school year, we would be doing inventories now of lots of our toys to make sure that we have enough toys for the children who are coming into kindergarten next year, to see if that I had to buy any things over the summer for the children in September. Well, we're not in school, but we are home and we can still do inventories at home. And one of the things that I do before I go food shopping is I do an inventory. So here's a bowl of fruit. And before I go and buy more fruit, I need to know how many fruits I have, because I may need some of more, not some of the other, and I want to have just enough for everybody, but I don't want to have too much so it spoils. So in my fruit bowl, I have a lime, I have lemons, and I have clementines, and I have apples. So this is my collection, is a bowl of fruit. And in my collection, I'm going to count how many of each fruit I have. So first I'm going to count my lime. And it looks like a lemon, but it's green. And I only have one of those. So I'm going to put one lime. And then I have these that look like the limes, but they're yellow and they're lemons. That's right. How many lemons do I have? Can you help me count? Ready? 1, 2. I have 2 lemons. Here are my lemons. 1, 2. 2 lemons. And they all look like circles because this is math and it's not art, so it's okay to just use symbols. And these are clementines, yes. And lots of you like to eat these for snack. So let's see how many clementines I have. Ready? 1, 2. Put them down. 3 and 4. So I have 4 clementines. All right, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And I like to double check my work, so I'm going to make sure that I drew the right number. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 clementines. Okay. And I also have apples. Ready? 1, 2. So I have 2 apples. So ready? 1, 2. 2 apples. So now I know how many of each I have, but how many do I have all together? So we're going to add, we're going to join, because we're making a collection. It's going to be more, right? So I can use my number line, remember? So remember what we did last time? I can jump once for the lime, right? And 2 jumps for the lemons. And 1, 2, 3, 4 jumps for the clementines. And 1, 2 jumps for the apples. And I landed on 9. So I have 9 apples. Oh, not 9 apples. I have, silly. Let's fix that. Oh, everybody makes mistakes, even teachers, right? I have 9 fruit. Okay. So let's see if I'm right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, I showed it a couple of ways that I came up with 9, but let's really see if I'm right. What should we do? Just to check our work, we can actually count our fruit and see if our work is right. Are you ready? Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We did it. We have 9 fruit. So whether we counted fruits, we counted our drawings, we used the number line, we always get 9 fruit. We can do it lots of different ways, but we always get the same answer. So your job today is to go find something to inventory. Go find a collection, count, and see how many you have, and have lots of fun. And I'll see you next time. Bye.